Interior room 9327 on the Star Princess is technically an inside cabin, but once you see the layout and storage, it really doesn't feel like a basic interior at all. As you walk in, there's plenty of floor space, so it doesn't feel tight or cramped, and it's easy to move around, set your bags down, and get ready. The bed here is currently set up in the king configuration, but it can also be split into two twins if you're traveling with a friend or family member. On both sides of the bed, you've got nightstands with a little storage for smaller things you want close by, such as chargers, glasses, or a book. Above each nightstand, there's a USB-A and a C port, a regular outlet, light switches that control the whole room, and a dedicated reading lamp so you don't have to get out of bed to turn the lights on and off. As we pan around, you'll see that the TV mounted on the foot of the bed with a nice big bench underneath, which works as extra seating and a handy spot for bags or personal items. Over on the opposite wall is your main desk and vanity area with a phone. You've got a large backlit mirror, two small shelves on the wall for things like makeup or toiletries, and two drawers that hold the hairdryer, plus a mini fridge built into the unit for a few cold drinks or snacks. At this vanity, you'll also find two European outlets, three US outlets, and two USB-A and two USB-C ports. There's a lot of charging here. I'll link in the description the European adapter I like to use to make plugging everything in really simple. Between the outlets at the bedside and all the power at the vanity, there's a really good amount of electrical access in this room. Moving over to the wardrobe area, you start with a slim cabinet that holds the life jackets, so they're easy to find but nearly out of the way. Next to that is a bay of cabinets with a few shelves and the safe. Then more open shelves and three large drawers at the bottom that are great for folded clothes or bulkier items. The final section has two doors that open into one big fully lit hanging space with full-length hanging for dresses and longer clothing, plus 6 cubbies or shelves down the side that work perfectly for shoes and smaller items you want organized and off the floor. Right by the entrance, you'll find the main light controls, so you can flip the lights on and off as you come and go. The thermostat is straightforward and responds quickly, so it's easy to dial in the temperature you're comfortable with. Stepping into the bathroom, the layout is compact, but set up in a really nice, practical way. There's a towel hanger behind the toilet so things aren't laying around on the floor, and everything has a place. There's a long vanity that runs almost the length of the full wall with a backlit mirror and 3 shelves on the wall for toiletries and smaller items that you want easy access to. Under the sink, a full-length shelf gives you extra room for towels and other bathroom essentials. The shower is a nice size for a cruise cabin and has glass doors. An adjustable shower head, upgraded shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in wall-mounted dispensers, plus a sturdy grab bar and a little foot ledge for shaving bar that makes shaving or rinsing off your legs much easier. Overall, this interior room is laid out really well. The style is modern, clean, and crisp with a neutral color palette, so it feels calm and not busy. The extra floor space helps it feel more open than a typical interior, and the large flat screen TV at the foot of the bed is great for relaxing or putting on the Bridge Cam channel if you enjoy waking up with the sunrise on screen. I really like all the thoughtful storage touches throughout the room, from the wardrobes to the vanity, because it makes it easy to unpack, lock things away, and actually keep the cabin tidy. The bathroom also has a good amount of room, and everything you need is laid out in a way that's easy to use. I'm not paid to give this review. I paid for a similar cabin across the hall myself, so these are my genuine thoughts on this layout and setup. For one of the more budget-friendly options of this ship, room 9327 is a solid choice if you want to save some money, but still have a comfortable place to come back to in between all your activities on board. I'm Kylie with Simply Cruising. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next horizon.